We stuck in the car wash drive-through line because the freaking vehicle not on the right track. You can see where he slanted over to the side. Look at this. And there's vehicles behind me. We stuck in the freaking car wash line. Like, what's going on? Is this guy, like, stuck? They need to get that vehicle out of there. What the hell is going on? God forgive me for cussing. You got two workers that just walked up to the front. Am I putting my car in park now? Turn all of it off. Am I putting my car in park? Am I keeping my car in neutral right now, or should I put it in park? He told me 1 second. Because I'm asking if I should put my car in park, because you know when you come through here, you got to put your car in neutral. This stupid. Now it's going to have me where I don't want to come through the drive-through anymore. He freaking stuck. Like, put your foot on the gas and... I don't know. This stupid, y'all. And I was going to go get me some crabs, but now I ain't. Let me turn. Just left the nail salon and I was in there for freaking ever. I got a mani and a patty, y'all, and I was in there 11:30. I ain't get out to 3. I mean, they do a wonderful job, but
back up for me.
Back up?
Yeah, back up.
Keep going. I'm good. I'm good. Keep it in neutral. Oh, sorry, y'all. He told me to back up some. This vehicle right here in front of me and his driver's license. I'm taking a picture of that because I don't know what the heck. I don't know whether this guy, he in a town and country. I'm a pro mom. If he get too close to me, this is stupid. He trying to get on the track, y'all. He better not hit me. Stupid. He may be on the track now. I think he got to back up some more. This is stupid. There you go, I think. Like, how the heck? The girl didn't guide him right. Because they have somebody to help. Do I keep my car in neutral? Do I keep it in neutral? Oh, okay. He can't get off the track. He can't get off the freaking track, y'all. This stupid. Like, the girl didn't guide him on the track right. There you go. There you go. There you go. Sheeby weeby. They told me keep my car in neutral. I ain't even finished my rinse. Just get him out there. Get him out and then let him come back in. Because this is, I don't know what the heck. He got people all held up. There's people behind me. Now I think he can pull out. Get out. We don't know what you doing. You don't know what you doing. Like, just get out. Drive out. It's in neutral. Yeah, he asked me if my car was in neutral. I said he had neutral. He asked me if my car was in neutral. I was like, yes, it's in neutral. I wanted to go get me some more crabs. Just for once. I know I don't need to eat any more, but they were so good the other day. I only had a half a dozen, and I want some more. I think I'm going to go ahead on and get some. I'm going to go get some. I was so hungry. I was in that nail salon so long, I wound up just getting me. See, he did a pretty fringe. Yeah, I wound up getting some yogurt up in highs. I think they get ready to turn it back on. I usually could go to the hand car wash. Here we go. Okay, y'all. We going. We going. There we go. We moving, y'all. We moving. We moving. I want to make sure that vehicle is gone. Okay, y'all, we good. I was like, y'all, no, that could only happen to me. Okay, that could only happen to me. So now I'm going through the tire shine and stuff. Oh, that could only happen to me. I am so serious, y'all. You see, it says wait. It does a wonderful, wonderful job. That's why I come. But I ain't gonna stop coming over this guy. I was ready to call him a name, but you know what? That is not Christian-like. I'm gonna get my crabs. I just still have a taste for some. He's still telling me to wait. I'll be back, y'all. I'm sitting up in this crab house again, y'all. Get more crabs. I can't anymore after this for at least the rest of May, all of May. I can't. Okay. Y'all, I was in the nail salon from 11:30 to 3 for them to do this and this. 11 to 3, and then went to the car wash and got stuck in the car wash because a car in front of me, a van in front of me, got stuck on the track, and they were caused behind me. The van in front of me got stuck on the freaking track, y'all. We had to wait like 5 minutes. They had to turn the water off and everything, and then there was cars behind me. Then I said, let me come up here at first because I wanted to get, I almost didn't come get these crabs. But I said that's what I wanted, so I came up here and got some more. But I'll show you some pics of the nail salon when I was getting my mani-pedi done. And talk to y'all about some other stuff that I got in the works, okay? Let me get home. Let me get home first. But I got some exciting things coming up, y'all. So love, peace, and in Christ. Give me a sec.